Hello fellow rebels and welcome back to the channel. On January the 6th, this is actually Little Christmas, so Nollig na Bháin, and it's also known as Women's Christmas as well. So traditionally the women would go away from their housework today, they'd meet up and maybe go for a drink or go for a meal or whatever, and then the men of the house would actually do the housework for the day. So it's a very old tradition. I know a lot of women meet up today, and like I said, they go for a few drinks or they go to the restaurant and stuff like that as well. And today is the end of the Christmas season as well, so that's what the tradition is. So that's just a little fun fact to end your Christmas season, which is today. And the main part for today for me is I got a little special mission to go on. So as I was telling you in previous videos, I've been looking to upgrade the seat and upgrade my brakes. Well, just get new brakes and change them. So I've actually ordered the brakes on the Visor shop. I should have them in the next few days. So watch out for the video there. I should be going over to Paddy's. Now I can do the brakes myself, but Paddy can have a look, run his eye over the calipers for me as well, just to make sure that's okay. Yeah, so that's the plan for that. But for the seat, I was looking at ordering it online. So I had a look, lovely seat online, all black, second hand, but it's really nice. So I was going to go ahead and get that, and then I was on Facebook a few days ago, and Surroundus, I hope you're saying his name right, I had a chat with him before. Actually, the background to it is I've met him before about 2 years ago, but I'd only got Bonnie then, so I wasn't sure how long I was going to be keeping Bonnie, so I didn't kind of want to outlay that kind of money. He gave me detail, and the plans that he gave me were fantastic for it, but I'm going to actually go out to meet him today in his new place. So he has a new workshop out in Tramore, where before he was in the business park in Waterford Airport. So going out to him, he's going to have a look at it, he's going to tell me what he thinks of what he's going to do. And as well as that, I wanted to keep the seat because the seat has the blue trim on it, and the blue trim, I love it on it, you know. So like the full black one with the gel seat would be really nice. I still might end up getting that, but I wanted to get the seat done, get it redone and have the blue trim, so he'll brighten up the trim on it. It'll really pop, and hopefully he'll be able to emboss the Triumph more on the back, because it's a bit faded on the back. So if he can emboss that in the seat, it's going to be even better. So I kind of have a budget I'm working on at the moment, so if it fits into that budget and then the timeline as well, if he can get it done, then I'm going to go with him. So yeah, I'm going to head out to him. He's out in Tramore, and I might go to the Redbridge garage. So Susan was telling me that the Redbridge garage, excuse me, is much better. Like, it has a big kind of conservatory where you can stop for a cup of tea and stuff like that. Because I was saying, there's not many places around, you know, when I go spinning locally, if I have an hour or whatever, there's not many places other than Leamy Bryan or out in Tramore, like Apple Green and stuff like that. So she said out there, they actually do hot food as well. So I might head out there today. If I do, obviously I'll bring you along with me and show you. If not, we'll definitely do it during the week, okay? But for now, I'm going to head out to Tramore, and we're going to get Surroundus to have a look at the seat, get the quote, and then I fill you in on all the details. Hopefully he might let me film out there, because he's posting a lot of stuff himself. So if you can let me film there, it'd be fantastic. If not, I'll give you the info anyway. So let's finish off getting ready and let's head out onto Bonnie. Oh, and just before I head out onto Bonnie, actually I want to show you this little piece I got for the office. So I got this in the range for €4. Yeah, €4. So I'm absolutely delighted with it. So cool. Look, the bottle cap, and it's the design of it is really cool. My son actually pointed out and said, "Oh Dad, look at that, that's cool." So thanks very much, Oscar. Happy days. Right, on with the spin. Well, how are you? Oh. Yeah, no problem, take your time. So, I've had a chat there with Surrounders and I'm going to fill you in on the details. I'm going to go out to the Redbridge garage for a spin and then I'll fill you in on the details out there, okay? So, let's head out there now. Yeah, so I was talking to Surrounders and he's had a good look at the seat. Now the seat, the closer I looked at it, the worse I seen it. He was saying just the workmanship is terrible on it, whoever done it. And it was even embarrassing. I didn't even do it, but I was just embarrassed of how bad it was. He said it's with furniture vinyl. So he said it's not used to that wear and tear being on a bike and stuff like that. It's completely wrong stuff. So he's going to have a look underneath it. He gave me a quote of about $350 approximately, but he said until he knows, opens it and sees it, he won't know anymore. So I suppose in 2 years everything's gone up and then the state of the seat as well. So he's going to have to flatten down the seat, you know, the way the seat is curved up. He's going to flatten that for me. That's the original talks anyway. So he's going to do that and then he's going to keep the stitching, so I'm happy with the stitching, the way it's just going across the way. Now I might change it to diamond stitching, I don't know, but it's going to be a blue stitch to match the colour of the tank, and also it's going to match the trim there, so I want to keep that trim, but he's going to try and make it as like a 2-up seat, so when I do get my full licence, which hopefully is this year, I'll be able to have pillions on the bike as well, so it'll be made for the future, but it won't be like just a standout 2-seater. It's going to be like a 1-seater for me. It's going to be flat enough, and then he's just going to have, you know, the padding on the back where a passenger can go on it as well. I think he's going to do a gel pad as well. I'm going to go for it. So what I'm going to need to do is drop it out first, and in the next week or so, and he's going to have a look at it. He's going to take it apart and then give me a proper quote on it. So at the moment probably looking at about $350, could edge up to $400 maybe, but he'll get to take it off, so if it's too much then, you know, I can pull on it and just pay him for whatever labour, but I think I'm going to go ahead with it, unless it's something absolutely crazy, then I'll do it different. But oh yeah, also there's going to be laser etching on the back of it, so where I have the Triumph already, he's going to get a guy to laser etch that on the back, so the bike could be out of action for 2-3 weeks maybe. I don't know. I know he doesn't rush things, and that's a good thing as well, because his quality is off the charts, so it'd be definitely worth having. But that's the update I have at the moment. I'm getting the brakes in soon. I'm going to get the brakes done first before I drop the seat out to him, so I get that done with Paddy. I should have them in the next day or so, and well, Monday, today is Saturday, so I should have them Monday or Tuesday at the latest, get them done, and then get the seat out to the Surrounders, and we'll go from there. So that's the update.